Make a great choice today with the 2013 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, air conditioning third row, independent controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.